Embroidery apparel is all the rage, with some sweatshirts generating as much as $1 million on Etsy. I actually released an IG Reel video featuring some of these products this summer and it went viral. Now, this trend is not going anywhere. There's plenty of new shops who are uploading embroidery products and getting plenty of healthy sales. Now, part of the challenge for a really long time is that there were not a lot of print-on-demand suppliers giving us the option to add embroidery into our products. Until now, Printful just came out with a wider variety of print-on-demand products in which we can add embroidery, along with the options to add embroidery in different places of our apparel products. So giving us the ability to have more printing areas for our embroidery. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact strategies that you can use to create a successful print-on-demand embroidery shop and start earning money on Etsy. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, if you don't already have an Etsy store, you're gonna go on Etsy and you're simply going to register. You're gonna use the email address, the business email address that you just set up, and don't overthink the process. You can have a generic store name to begin. This is something that you can change afterwards. Make sure, most importantly, that you have your ID in hand, your address, because Etsy wants to make sure that you are a real person. So simply set up your Etsy marketplace account so you can start selling on Printify. Once you have your store set up, we're gonna add a product. This is going to take us to Printful's full catalog. We're gonna click on embroidery products. In here, we'll have access to different products we can embroider. As you can see, it's not just t-shirts and sweatshirts. We can also embroider different hats, tote bags, the list goes on. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna choose this unisex garment dyed sweatshirt simply because it offers you the ability to select comfort colors, which currently are trending on Etsy, along with the ability to do embroidery on the sleeves as well as the chest and having large embroidery fonts as well. So needless to say, this is going to help set us up for success, as all of these different features are extremely trending on Etsy right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start designing this product. Something worth mentioning is that you can actually as well select the different embroidered color of your design. In this case, you can see you can change it accordingly. I'm gonna stick to what I currently have. And before we proceed to creating our mock-up, we're gonna go back to our product and we're gonna select all the different colors we wanna make available to our customers. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on mockups. It's important to note that the mockups that Printful provides us are very basic. I always recommend that you look on Etsy for better mockups with models. Make sure that you are also looking for the exact same product that you are going to sell. Now, this will require a little bit more work because you'll have to go ahead and go on Canva to create your own mockups, but that will make all the difference. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm simply going to use the basic mockups and we're gonna hit continue. Then we're gonna add our title. So after having done our research, we need to make sure that our title is SEO rich and includes keywords that our customer will be searching for. I'm gonna go ahead and add our description here and I'm gonna hit continue. Now we can add the tags here, but I usually like to add my tags directly on Etsy. Now we're gonna go ahead and continue to pricing. So something worth noting when it comes to pricing is that you have to charge shipping, especially when you are doing apparel. Customers on Etsy are prepared to pay for shipping. It's not like Amazon. So I recommend that when it comes to profit or estimated earning, try to have at least 15 to 20% margin. That's fine. And make sure that you take into consideration that you're gonna have some of that margin back as well on your item shipped, right? So very important. When people as well are buying apparel, they're usually buying bulk. So this is something worth mentioning. So we're gonna go ahead and submit this to our store. Congrats on uploading your first embroidery print-on-demand product. If you're looking to fast track your Etsy growth, make sure to check out this video that I did with 3 hidden print-on-demand products to help you accelerate your sales. I'll see you next time.